So I was talking that you should enjoy nature. It's itself an art created by God Himself. Look at the mountains covered up in clouds. The mobile camera cannot capture what I'm seeing through my eyes. People are going after iPhones and many cameras pixels in order to capture a lot of memories and nature and beautiful pictures, beautiful sceneries. But what eyes can see, a camera will never see that. Alhamdulillah, the village of mine is very, very beautiful, especially in rain. So I will, I will suggest you all that if you have a village like this, you should enjoy these views. You should come out from your houses, from your homes, and enjoy this view. Go towards a place like this. Enjoy the nature. As in the previous video I said, it provides relief and take away all the stress. Makes you feel like you are in the heaven. I love my village.